everybody, it's Mopsy, your favorite friend in pink and yellow. Are you ready to play, learn, and grow? Come on, let's go! Here I am. Today, I was walking through these woods, enjoying the smell of the trees and the beautiful sunshine, and I found a group of baby animals. Farm animals, little babies, and they're so cute, but they look like they might be a little bit lost. So I went to get my little basket, and I'm gonna help them find their mommies. Come on, I'll show you. Let's go. They're right over here. Follow me. They're so cute. Hi, little baby animals. Oh my goodness, you are so cute. I'm going to make sure you're super safe and help you find your mommies. Hi, little calf. This is a calf. Look at this cute little calf with a big pink nose. I'm going to make sure you're super safe and we're going to find your mommy. Come on, come right in here, into my basket. And this little lamb. Oh my goodness, look at this little lamb. You are so soft and so cuddly. You're so cute. Okay, come with me and the little calf and we'll go find your mommy too. Right here. Okay, friends. Oh, this group of ducklings. These are cute little ducklings. Little ducklings. You look like you're trying to find your mommy too. 1, 2, 3 little ducklings. You are also so cute. Cheep, 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 cheep. Okay, you come with me and we'll go find your mommy too. And who do we have here? The little piglet with a little curly tail. You are so pink and you're so smiley. You're so cute too. Come with me and our friends and let's go find your mommy too. Come on. Okay, little friends, you're all safe in my basket. Now let's go see if we can find your mommy. Come on, let's go. I think there's a big pasture and I bet we'll find some farm animals there too. Let's go see. Come on. Look at this beautiful big green pasture. A pasture is a big open space filled with grass where animals love to graze and spend their days. Pastures are taken care of by ranchers and farmers. Ranchers and farmers are the best people to take care of animals, grow food, and tend to this beautiful land. Farm animals love to live on these big green open spaces, and I bet we can find all the mommies for our little baby animals right in here. Did you hear that? I think I heard a moo. Let's go see who that is. Follow me. Look. What's that in the grass? I see some black and white. It looks like a cow. Let's go see. Wow, it is a cow. A big black and white cow. I wonder which of our baby animals belongs to this cow. Look, this one looks a lot like a cow. It's white with black spots, just like the big one. This is a calf. A baby cow is called a calf. Baby calf, is this your mommy? Moo, moo. Moo. It is. They found each other. The baby calf is with the mommy cow. Cows love to eat lots of grains and fruits and vegetables to make them grow big and strong. And guess what? Cows have 32 teeth. That's a lot of teeth. That's so many teeth. Oh, they love each other and they're so happy to be back together. And remember what cows say? They say, okay, baby and mommy, I hope you enjoy your day in this big green field and pasture together. Bye-bye. I heard a quack, quack, quack. Let's go see who made that quack and see if it's a mommy animal. Oh my goodness. Look at this fluffy white duck. Hi, duck. Quack, quack, quack. You're so cute and you're so big with that long neck and that big orange beak. I wonder which of our baby animals belongs to this mommy duck. Is it this one? It's white, just like the duck. But wait a minute. It doesn't have a beak and it doesn't have feathers. I don't think this is the baby one. No. I know. These baby ducklings belong to the mommy duck. A baby duck is called a duckling. How cute! Hey, baby ducklings, is this your mommy? Cheep, 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 quack, quack, quack. Yes, it is. They are. They love each other and they're so happy to be back together. Ducklings learn how to swim when they are only 1 day old. Oh my goodness! And they even have webbed feet so that it's super easy for them to swim. They love the water. I bet there's even a lake here and they're probably on their way there now. Okay, little duckies, okay, little ducklings, enjoy your day on the water. I heard another animal sound. I heard a bah. Let's go see if that's a mommy too. Oh my goodness, look who's over here. Bah, bah. This is a big sheep, a big fluffy sheep. You are so cute and you look like you lost your little baby. I think I know which baby animal belongs to this mommy sheep. Here it is, our little lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Lambs and sheep have super fluffy hair all over their body called wool. And wool can make blankets and sweaters and socks. You might even have something in your home that comes from a sheep. Bah, bah. Oh, I'm so happy you guys are together again. Enjoy this big field and enjoy the full pasture and eating all the grass because that's what sheep love to eat. And do you know that mommy sheep are called ewes? Isn't that funny? Ewe. Let's spell that together. U-E-W-E. Ewe. Bah. Okay, little sheep and little lamb, goodbye. I had so much fun with you today. Goodbye. I heard another animal sound. I heard an oink. And we only have one baby left. I bet this is the mommy we're looking for. Look, right here. This is a pig. Hi, pig. Hi, big pink piggy. So cute. Piggies are so cute and so smiley and so round. I know that this is our mommy pig's baby. This is a piglet. A baby pig is called a piglet. How cute! So pink and round and so smiley. They kiss by touching their noses. How cute is that? I'm so happy that you guys found each other. Pigs and piglets communicate. They talk to each other with different grunts. They go and make all sorts of sounds. And mommy pigs can have 10 babies at one time. Oh my goodness, this little piglet has so many sisters and brothers. Pigs are found all over the world, in all parts except for Antarctica. I bet it's a little too cold. They're so cute and they love to roam and grate and roll around in the mud. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad you have each other again. Thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness, have fun today on the farm. Bye pig and bye piglet. Hi. Oink, oink, oink. Are you my mommy? Nope. Are you my mommy? Yes, look, I'm gonna stand. Maybe I can balance on your back. Ah, that's so silly. Can I do that? Oh my goodness. Like little animals balancing on backs. Oh my goodness, all of the babies are balancing on their mommies. That's so cute. Whee! Thank you so much for helping me find all of my animal friends today. Cow and calf, duck and ducklings, sheep and lamb, and pig and piglet. Of course, these are toy animals, which are super fun to play with, especially if you don't have big, real animals of your own. So if you don't live someplace with farmland or big animals, you can use your imagination with toy animals to create your very own farm. And if you work extra hard, maybe one day you can even have a real farm and take care of your very own animals. Thank you so much for learning all about farmland and pastures and animals and baby animals with me today. This was so fun to play, learn, and grow with you, and I hope we can do it again really, really soon. If you love this video, remember to like it and hit the subscribe button. And visit Mopsy.tv for more fun with Mopsy. Okay, see you next time, everybody. Goodbye.